Okay, good time to all of you. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Actually, you know that every day we are practice in Google Meet. Actually, we are selected a topic, and this topic we are practice. Actually, today topics is your favorite country. So I would like to go, Mr. MD Shimul Hassan. Please introduce which country do you like?
Thank you. Thanks for your opportunity, and thank you for speaking my values topic. Actually, today I we had favorite kinds of country. Actually, I have many favorite kinds of countries. Actually, I want to go abroad, but I don't have select country because first of all I have to attend in the IELTS exam. Then I have to actually I have to make my band score. Then I have to go because it will be depend on my band score. So I can understand that which country I can go. But I have my favorite country as I have my dream country. Actually, it's first of all America, then second London, Canada, and then actually you can catch it anywhere Europe countries and America's countries. Actually, I want to go in a big countries. It was my dream. It was my big plan when I was kids. This time I was thinking I will go at abroad uh, for my future plan. And anytime I didn't think I will uh, actually I will do any job. So at this time I don't try to job. I'm trying to go out abroad. So at this time I am learning English, and I'm preparing for IELTS exam. Maybe, but my second friend is Mohammed Hussein, brother. Maybe he don't know. I'm preparing for IELTS exam. So actually, at this time, first of all, I have to do many hard work for my IELTS exam. Then after the IELTS exam, I have to I have to face my actually I have to face my embassy. Then I will go any countries, a one countries. Actually, I don't know which country I can go, and my favorite first of all my favorite countries was. America. Actually, I want to go there because it's a very expensive countries for in our world. Then I think if anyone want to actually if anyone get any chance for go there, obviously he don't cancel the chance. I think so. At this time, I am getting the chance, but yeah, I have to do. Uh, the work, hard work, then I have to go. But I can't. I'm not getting that type of chance that I can go surely. Just I am getting chance that actually my families help me that if you can uh, make your band score for go at America, then you can go now. No problem. We don't have any problem if you can go. So actually, I'm trying to go. I think if I have to go there, then I have to make my band score. Maybe maximum 8.500 up. Then I can go there. Maybe I'm not sure because at this time I didn't saw anything. And my second countries is London, then Canada. I think actually my one mamas have there, but he can't take me because it has some problem. So he can't receive me. So just he told me, mamas, if you can your band is if you can make your band score, then if anyone Anytime you want, you will come here, then I can take you. But at this time, I can take you without your IELTS certificate. So just you have to complete your IELTS certificate, then you have to come. So if you want to come, then you have to hard work, and you have to create a good uh, result sheet. Actually, minimum you have to create 650, then you can come in a London. But if you want to come Canada, then maybe I have to I have to create this band score 7. It's a normal. But if I want to, but I have a dream countries. It's mm, uh, sorry, I just forget it and the name. Uh, sorry, Germany. If I want to go at Germany, then I have to create a minimum 7.50. 7.50. I think Germany is not a bad countries in our world. It's a very big, it is a expensive countries in our world, and there are many members is going to there for. First of all, they are going to for his bachelor studies. Then they will actually uh, they will stay there, and they will find a job, then they will uh, live there. Actually, it's just authority for go. If you want to go, then obviously you will need the authority. How will you go? You will need a source. It's just your that source, that this source, that you can go there. So if you want to go at in a big countries, that you have to attend in IELTS exam, then you have to go. So that's time I'm trying it, and already I have told you my some uh, some favorite countries, and actually my dream countries. So I don't want to large it, because I have some friends, and they will talk it. So it's my today topic, so I don't want to speak anything. So that's it, and thank you all. Thanks for listening to me patiently. So
Okay, thank you so
assalamu
much.
alaikum.
Thank you so much for your